Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to print a booking label. Printing a booking label allows the practice to print the details of the patient's booking onto a label with the patient's demographic details. From the diary screen, click on the booking of the patient that the user would like to print a booking label for. The diary sidebar will open. Click on the Print Booking Label button on the diary sidebar. The booking label will download as a PDF and open in a new web browser tab. Please note that the way the booking label will download will depend on the user's browser settings. To print the hard copy of the booking label, click on the printer icon button. The print screen will open. To ignore the print request and return to the downloaded booking label screen, click on the Cancel button. Click on the Print button to send the booking label to the setup printer.